Favorites tab can be used to bookmark your frequently used settings so that you can easily return to them. To access your favorites, go to your home screen and tap the Favorites tab. On your Favorites tab, you will see how many personalized favorite programs you have saved. Remember, you can save up to 10 favorites at a time. On the Favorites tab, you will also be able to view all of your favorite settings with the description name you chose and the date the favorite was added. To add a favorite setting, tap the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. To add your current setting as a favorite, tap plus Add Current Program. You will then be prompted to name that favorite program. You can individualize the name of your favorite based on pain relief or activity, such as back pain or walking. You will then select a color to further personalize your favorite setting. When you're ready to use your favorite program, tap on the desired favorite, followed by Use this program. If at any time you'd like to delete a favorite program, tap the 3 dots on the right side next to that program. Then tap Delete Favorite. It's important to note you can't delete a favorite program that is currently in use.